I'm Tyler with the DIY Tyler YouTube channel. A lot of times when you think your blade might be dull, it's probably not dull. It's probably actually dirty, especially if you have this high quality carbide blade from Sawblade.com. I'm going to show you today my method for cleaning this gunk off your blade and making it just like new. Before you get started, obviously make sure you're unplugged so you keep your fingers on. Then go ahead and remove your blade, remembering that it is backwards from righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. It's righty-loosey, lefty-tighty. Here you can see all the buildup on the teeth, which is causing this blade to run like it's a little bit dull. The quickest way I found to clean this up, lay your trash bag down, put your blade right on there, grab yourself some Simple Green, and soak the top of that blade. After you've let that Simple Green sit for 3-4 minutes, grab yourself a paper towel, and all of that gunk cleans right off. Be mindful of your fingers on these teeth, they're still sharp. Holding the blade on an angle like this will help you get some of the gunk out of the gullies down here that you weren't able to get when holding the blade flat. Again, be careful, this will shred up your paper towel, just be mindful of your fingers. Dry all that Simple Green off this bad boy, and we are ready to go back into the saw. And just like that, you guys have a saw blade that's going to function just like new. This will work for your table saw, miter saw, and circular saw blades. This has been a tip and trick. I'm DIY Tyler, and you guys have a good one.